Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be showing you how to fix the recipient account is unable to receive payments on Cash App. So guys, let's get started without wasting your precious time. So guys, it's pretty easy and basic. First of all guys, what you have to do is just simply have to close this page. Now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to make sure that if other person account is verified. Okay guys, just simply have to ask him that he has to verify his identity. So just simply have to tell him that he has to verify identity. Okay guys, and if he has verified his identity guys, just simply have to open the Cash App. And now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to tap on your profile here. Okay guys, now also make sure that if other person account is also not closed or blocked. Okay guys, and also go to limits. Okay guys, and from here guys, he has to check his limit, that if he has not exceeded the limit to receive the money. Okay guys, if this isn't the case guys, then what you have to do guys, just simply have to scroll it down and you can easily find here guys support option. From here guys, you have to tap on that. And now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to the payments option. And now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to scroll it down. And now from here guys, what you have to do is just simply have to go to the receiving payment option. And now you can easily see here guys, here it's showing that chat option. Tap on that. And now from here guys, you can easily chat with the Cash App support team to resolve your issue. If the problem is from your end guys, you can easily chat with them to resolve your issue. And if the problem is from other person, and then you have to log in his account in your device, and then you have to ask him that he has to contact with the Cash App support team to resolve the issue. So that's pretty much for today's video. If this is helpful, please like and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.